want to show you two really cool art websites that are not only fun to create green screen backgrounds, but also for some sort of meditation. Makes you feel a lot better to do art sometimes, to put yourself in that space. So check it out. The first one is weavesilk. So when you click on weavesilk, you'll see that you can start drawing. But before you do that, I want you to click on this blue dot. You can drag the colors into each other. It's pretty cool. You have from 1 up to 6 points, and that'll make sense in a minute. And you can turn mirror and spiral on or off. So I'm going to turn both of these on and to have this all the way up, and it makes me a beautiful geometric shape. Super fun. And if you move your mouse in interesting ways, like X's and circles, you're going to see all kinds of magic. The next thing I want to show you is how to free draw. So if you bring this all the way down, turn both of these off, you can make a rose. So I'm just going to go in an oval shape. Kind of make a small circle here, grab the green, and make my stem. Now you can make more than one rose when this is down here, or whatever you want. And another fun trick is to bring this all the way up, turn these on again. I'm going to make a cute little flower right here. A couple colors, a little yellow in there. Then I'm going to bring this all the way down, turn these off, and guess what? Make a stem and some leaves. So give that a try. The other website is thisissand. And here, you click play now. And up here, if you click on this, you can pick a color and start building your mountains or whatever you make. But what's real fun about this is you can blend colors. So here's what a solid color looks like. Now, over here, I'm going to click on that pink, but I'm going to keep holding my mouse. Move it to another color. I'm going to blend it, but keep holding the mouse until it clicks. And keep holding the left side of the mouse until it clicks. Pick all your colors that you want to blend. And watch this. This is the difference. All the colors. Blend. Very good. Yeah. So have some fun with that. If you click this, it doesn't have enough yet, but when you do have enough sand, you can save them, download them, and also post them on the website for all to see. With Silk, you can click share and grab this link. And what's so cool about this is it turns it into an automatic GIF like that. So now you can watch how I drew it and how it built. And this is neat for the green screen because we can build portals and cool stuff like that. The other way to save in weavesilk is to click on the little camera, and then here it tells you to save this thumbnail over here. Don't save the big picture, save this one. Right click, save image as, and I would save it on the desktop and give it a name and click save. Now the problem is that's going to disappear on you, so you have to upload this to either Google Classroom or Google Drive. So if I go to Google Drive, which you all will be signed in for, like this, and I can make a digital media folder if you want, and then click new, file upload, and I put it on the desktop. Sometimes it's in downloads, and it should pop up. It should pop up. There you go. And then you can save it so it doesn't disappear. It's good to give it a name. Okay, have some fun.